Many of us use backtap features on the iPhone, but if you double tap on the iPhone, the app opens. No one uses this feature. So in today's video, I will show you how to double tap the app will open on the iPhone. So watch the full video, and if you haven't subscribed to Apple Info channel yet, do it now. You must have a shortcut app on your iPhone to get this feature. If not, go to the App Store and install the shortcut app. Then open the shortcut app. Now click on the plus icon. Click on Open App. Then click on Choose. Now click on the app you want to open in the double tap. For example, I will open the calculator app, so I clicked on it. Then we have to click on Next. Now I have to give a name here. For example, I gave CAL. Click on Done. Our shortcut was created. Now you need to open the iPhone Settings app. Then click on Accessibility. Click on the Touch option. Scroll down and click on Back Tap. Click on Double Tap. Scroll down and go to Shortcut category. Then click on the shortcut that you created. Now go to your iPhone home screen. If you double tap on the iPhone, then your selected app will open. This was today's video. I hope you understand how to open the app by double tapping. Thanks for watching.